years ago, the GOC's guest house, as it was then called, was demolished to make way for the construction of an ultra-modern army lodge. This edifice was sponsored and constructed by Ellis Royal Company Limited. This was made possible through the support received from the then Chief of Army Staff and the Commanding Officer, 4th Battalion of Infantry, Lieutenant Colonel Pepra. I'm indeed highly honored to be the pay setter of the Chief of Army Staff's plans to construct numerous of these ultra-modern facilities in garrisons across the country.
It is my pleasure to be here as a guest of honor for the commissioning of this ultra-modern facility known as the Army Lodge Kumasi. This is one of the numerous facilities to be constructed in the major cities across the country in line with my vision for the Ghana Army. The nature of our duties as service personnel is such that we constantly are on the move all over the country for operational, training, and administrative purposes. Among the challenges that these movements portend are accommodation for personnel, especially when one arrives in the cities during the wee hours of the night. I'm glad to note that as a way to address this seething problem, my predecessor, Major General William Ayamdo, embarked on the drive to provide an appropriate accommodation facility for personnel in Central Command by cutting the sword for the construction of this edifice 3 years ago. When I took over from him, I emulated his example by constructing the Army Lodge Accra, which is about 80% complete. These are all part of the Military High Command's efforts at meeting the welfare needs of our officers, soldiers, and defense civilian staff. The Army Lodge Kumasi project is a private-public partnership vehicle customized to ensure international standards are achieved and maintained. I am highly impressed with the excellent job done, and I'm confident to state that this state-of-the-art facility can compete fairly and squarely with other first-class hotels in Kumasi and its environs. One of the reasons for the construction of this edifice was to provide a decent but affordable accommodation for all serving and retired personnel as well as the general public. I'm appealing to the operators and managers of the facility to be mindful of excellent maintenance culture to ensure longer lifespan. I commend Major General William Ayamdo, the former Chief of the Army Staff, for his vision that led to the construction of this facility. I appreciate all who found time to be with us for the commissioning of the Army Lodge Kumasi. I'm grateful to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II for allowing the military to use the land space for such an income-generating venture. Thank you very much.
In the name of God the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, we commission. Amen.